What bike's this, Dick?
This is Percy Tait's Works Daytona from '67. It's one of 7 factory bikes, and the other 6 are in America. And Gary Nixon won the Daytona on it in '67. Buddy Elmore came second, and then Percy was going to win the TT on this. Everyone knew how fast the bike was, but unfortunately, on the first lap, the plug played up, one of the spark plugs, and Percy roared in the pits, got a spark plug change, but a little bit of red mist. He shot out the pits and crashed at Blaff Bridge. So, but the bike is very, very fast. This has got a squish band head, which means that the piston goes right up inside the combustion chamber and the gases flow around the outside of the piston crown. It runs on energy transfer ignition. In other words, it's batteryless, and it creates its own spark.
When was it last fired up?
Not since the 60s. So this is the first time of starting tonight. Hope it starts. Right, do you want to take the stand, Matt? Please. Good job it started.